you did the first obstacle. Okay, so what I told you was that you do it the way you think that you should handle a task. There is a problem and you will have to come up with solutions. Now you got a flavor of how the obstacles are, what is required, what are the problems, color rule, how the rules affect your doing the task. Now tell me, what do you think is the principle on which this is based? Okay, so let's discuss about the theoretical part of it. Now, what basically are you doing here is you are creating what? Bridge. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, anywhere you see a bridge requires what? Support. Minimum, how many supports are required for a bridge?
Two supports.
Two supports. So if this is the bridge, for example, you require one support here ideally,
Yes, sir.
and one support here ideally, which is provided here by these structures. Okay. Now, if you have direct bridging, there is no problem. There is one support there, there is another support here. But what is happening here is you are not getting ideally two support. What you are getting? One support. Now the principle is that moment you get one support, you put first your helping material on that one support, and then see that where you want to, which axis you want to go. You want to go this side, you want to go this side, you want to go here. Then that is your, so first what you have decided that I will go this side. This is my first structure. You place the helping material there and you see, is the helping material, chest number 7, pay attention. If you are putting the helping material there, is it stable or unstable? So first what you do, you create stability at point 1. Now to create stability, you require two support. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, for the sake of repeating, now this is one support. Now if you have to support, for example, create a stability here, if you put the plank like this, then you are going that side. But you have to go here. So you will have to figure out how to create that second support. The whole exercise here in the PGT, HGT, any of the task is, you get the first, identifying the first support is easy. But the challenge lies in creating the second support. That's where your application of your intelligence comes in. And what is the principle a bridge keeps on? Bridge has two support. We discussed that. Now, when you are putting weight on that structure, so as you move forward, one side will, wherever the weight is, that side will go down, and wherever the weight is not there, that side will go up. So you will have to stop from that side going up. Now you can stand and stop it, but we are not looking for physical strength. Clear? We should not use physical strength. What we are looking for is your capability to figure out a solution without using physical strength. The physical strength is only allowed when you are entering, because here you can stand and create a support, and when you are crossing the finish line and the last man is left, that time you can use physical support. 99.9% times you should avoid using unless and until you are in a very big jam. We don't appreciate use of physical force in the task. So whenever you are doing the, whenever you come to PGT, HGT, command task, simply, I will repeat again, identify your approach, then identify the first support, then create the second support. So you cannot stand on one side and create it. You have to stand at the point and see, okay, if I walk like this, this will go up here, this will go down. What are the, how is the structure? What is the colors, and then figure out the solution. This is as far as the solution, thinking of the solution is concerned. Now comes how will you perform as an individual. So this is a group task. You will have to work along with the group. Now you may have an idea, or the group, somebody else may have an idea. If somebody else is having an idea, you support him and work along with him. Okay. Now please remember, generally in PGT, one I told you is direct bridging. Then you will get PGT2, PGT3 and PGT4. Now if you as an individual are not able to demonstrate an idea, then you are working in a group, but as a G2 I am not able to see whether you can also contribute to an idea on a group. Now generally we will find that once you enter, you will have 2 or 3 solutions and then you are across. My recommendation would be, between the 2 and 3 you should at least demonstrate your capabilities to show minimum 2 to 3 ideas. Now you are a group of 10, you cannot get 30 ideas, am I right? But how do you do it? So if you are in the front and you are leading the group, or you are along with the 2-3 guys who are leading it and you are coming up with ideas, fine, you are moving ahead demonstrating the ideas. But if you are behind, 2 guys have moved up, workable idea, how will you demonstrate your idea? Tell me now. Workable idea, 2 guys have moved up, you cannot say no, don't do that, I will do something else. Now how will you come across, how will you demonstrate your idea? Anyone? The group is moving ahead, there are 3-4 good guys in the front who are working up ideas, you are contributing in the group, you are carrying helping materials, you are working with them, but you are not able to demonstrate your capability of an idea. How will you do that?
Having the materials.
Having the materials, so you are carrying, you are just carrying. It is not, but your idea, where? Supporting, good, you can support, but when will you demonstrate your idea? Demonstrate your idea. You are supporting the group, you are collaborating with the group, you are working with the group, but how do you demonstrate your capabilities?
When we are the last person.
Very good. So when the group, generally you will find here also in the PGT, you will find people are more interested in moving ahead. Nobody bothers about the last man. You will get a very good opportunity to demonstrate idea to get the last man. When the group moves ahead, it's okay. Okay, chest number 4, you are all moved ahead, let me get the last man. And then you demonstrate the idea to get the last man. You don't have to tell G2, sir, now I am demonstrating, please look at me. No. You just tell, okay, chest number 9, you come in now. So minimum you will get, say, if there are 3 or 4 solutions which you are doing and 3-4 occasions, between the 2 you will get about 7-8 chances to demonstrate your ideas. So 7-8 chances of last man and 7-8 chances of in the front. So about 14-15 instances where ideas can be demonstrated. What I am saying is you should at least demonstrate 2 to 3 ideas between PGT2 and PGT3. That is as far, that will demonstrate your application of your intelligence. Also concern for your team members. You are not leaving the last man behind. So in the PGT you have to so there are clearly what I said, to summarize 3-4 areas. First is the technical aspect. What it takes to figure out a solution. Very simple. To support, we will have to look at creating, one support is there, create the second support, number 1. Number 2 is how do I perform in a group. So I have to demonstrate my application of my intelligence. So we do the demonstrate by showing the idea. Next, how do I show my cohesiveness with the group? I am collaborating with them, I am cooperating, giving ideas or helping. Okay, now that is how you work with the group. Don't stand on one side. Carry the helping material, carry the load, work with the team, help them. So that is collaborating with the group. Now tell me, suppose you are standing at one place and there is another, and the guy is stuck. He is not able to come up with an idea. You have an idea. How will you do it? There are two ways. Either you guide him from that, okay, chest number 7, this is not working, try this. That is also one way. If that is also not working, then you can always say, okay, chest number 7, can I come there and replace you to do it? But as I said, very important to be polite. Work as a team. So how you perform in the other tasks before group discussion and all creates that cohesiveness within the team. So if you respect each one of you, they will also say the guy is okay. So always remember, you are not in competition with each other. Okay, we can select, I have selected 8 out of 10. SSB doesn't say that select out of 10 only 1. You are not in competition with each other. You are in competition with your own self. GT is not comparing if 13 is good or 16 is good. He is comparing if 13 is fit or 16 is fit. If both are fit, he will take both. If 10 of you are fit, he will take 10. If none of you are fit, he will take none of you. So always remember, start from the first task building cohesiveness, so that when you do this task, you work you gel well. And if you are gelling well, then you can demonstrate your ideas well. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we will do, this will be group 1 and that will be group 2. We will do 1, 2, 3, 4 in a series, 4 tasks and 1 stretch. Okay? Time will be 45 minutes. Now it is 8:15, 9 o'clock, I will make you stop wherever you are. And then we will again further do an analysis as to where you are going right and where you are going wrong. But I can tell you, you guys are doing very well. You guys have understood and are doing well. Just understand these basics, what I am telling you. And each one of you have to be very aware that you need to demonstrate and participate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, let's start. Thank you.
No, that's not right. It's fine. Under, yeah. No, guys. Friends. This is not right. Okay. Wait. Don't worry, tie a hand. Let them figure out the next step, then we'll leave. The plan is not taking this. No. 13.
रेड निकल गया ना, रेड है नहीं है, अच्छा पूरा करने की जरूरत
Yeah, take this. Maybe try the value. 13. No, you can't. Wait. Take the plank. Take the plank and place it. Let's 17. No. 13. Take the plank, place it there. Same way we can place. Oh, but after we cross it, we can place the plank there, no? So that we don't have to balance on the clear. Okay, let's do. Okay, let's try it out. Switch the sides. Yeah, it's enough. 7 you cross there. It's load. One step is enough. Yes, that's it. Come back. Or else try with the plank. No, come back. Try 17. Belly. Try with the plank. 15 that. Yeah, it's right. Or else change the size of the plank. Ashwat, this one is shorter, this will support well.
Not the belly.
Okay, let's try it. Like everyone, just try. Right now, we just try to. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. You hold the plank. Another one. One of the cross. This is not 4 feet, right? Check whether the plank is or not. Bali will work, yeah, sir. Pick the bali. One of them. No. Directly we can reach out. Outside. Just number 7, right with the plank. No. Let's try. Yeah. But this is also same. Just take the plank and we'll try it. Give the plank. Give it back. Otherwise, can we take the rope? Yeah, we can do that. Let's try. Yeah. Other way. But it will roll. We can tie it up. We can tie the. I leave that. Now it's okay. It will roll. Just keep it. Just somebody try it. Guys, we'll go on the plank. Just number 13. Just try it.
Only you should go the other end when he goes there.
Jump.
Yeah.
We hold now. It's not like you.
Okay. Now, no, one of you need to pass it.
Wait.
Good. Pass.
We can jump from here to there.
Next number 14. You can leave. Go. One of you go.
Last
One of you, no. Let them cross.